Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. At the point of making this video, the Bitcoin price is currently reacting off of this 4-hour support zone, and it is moving aggressively towards this major resistance zone between 111,000 to 111.8 thousand. So, inasmuch as we are taking advantage of this short-term move on the Bitcoin price, of course we are taking advantage of it. I currently have a long position opened up on my Weeks account, and I sent this trade to our private Telegram community, and sure, they are also making profit. Right now we are up by 31% and currently in a $700 profit, over $700 profit this morning. We are taking advantage of this short-term movement on the Bitcoin price because looking at the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, we can see we have this major support right here, which the price has been reacting from. It reacted the same way yesterday, which we also took advantage of it right here, this movement that happened quickly yesterday. And also, if you look at the Bitcoin daily chart, you can see we have this major support on the daily Bitcoin chart, which it is reacting from. You can see the price fails to break below this zone, and we are having something like break and retest from here. And if eventually this daily candle will close bullish, something like a bullish engulfing, it will be a short-term positive for the Bitcoin price. But we are expecting a minor resistance at $114,000, which aligns with the 0.382 level Fibonacci level. But the major thing that I'm making this video is for the Bitcoin 2-day chart, which has this rising wedge playing out. As you can see, we have this rising wedge, we have this rising wedge playing out on the 2-day Bitcoin chart, which, if history is to repeat itself as it happened here in the past, we are likely to see a big drop on the Bitcoin price over the next week or month. The last time we saw something like this, we saw a 22% drop on the Bitcoin price, and if we are likely to see the same reaction at this point, we are looking at the Bitcoin price coming down to 86,000, between 86,000 to 87,000. The rising wedge has already been broken, and the price is finding it difficult to close above it. But if eventually we can close above this resistance line over the next day or 2 days or so, then we see the price might recover and start moving to the upside. So this is a major price action to be looking at right now. And also on the Bitcoin weekly chart, we are having this major bearish divergence on the Bitcoin price. As you can see, the Bitcoin price has been making higher high, and we are having a lower low on the RSI, which is a bad signal for the overall uptrend. The last time we had this thing played out, you can see from here to here, we had this bearish divergence, which resulted in an almost 27% drop on the Bitcoin. So this is a major price action to be looking at. But on the short term, we are having a positive bullish sign on the Bitcoin price. And looking at the Bitcoin 8-hour chart also, you can see we have this short-term bullish divergence also, which is playing out over the last few days, as we are likely to expect a major resistance between this zone, between other than 12K to other than the 13K, which align with the daily RSI resistance zone also. So we are more likely to see a resistance if eventually Bitcoin price should, reach here. As you can see, price has been respecting this zone. This was resistance, support, support, and into resistance, resistance, support. So this is a major zone for Bitcoin. And this is what I'm looking at right now, at least for the main time. And if eventually we can close above, I'll be looking at a retest candle on this zone. And if eventually I see any sign to the up, I will continue to add up. So my long position from here. So in short term looks bullish. Mid-term looks uncertain. Long-term still shows bearish pressure. Right now, I'm watching how price reacts around the 111,000 to 114,000 zone. If we break and retest that area cleanly, I'll add more to my long position. But if we get rejected, I'll be taking profit and waiting for a better entry lower. That's the setup for now. Stay sharp, manage your risk, and don't chase green candles. If you found this update helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and join our private Telegram community for real-time trade setups. See you in the next one.